Okay, this is about Magic Jack Plus. You know what I'm saying? I bought the Magic Jack Plus. It's right here, and see, Magic Jack Plus. I don't know if it's focusing on it, but so I bought the Magic Jack Plus to run it in my house. You know, because I was gonna turn off the phone service without them on my line, but they gave me a better deal in the package with TV channels and everything. So I kept the phone on. So I thought about it. You know, I found out that Magic Jack has a cell phone app that you can make phone calls out of there, and it's free. So I installed the app. You know what I'm saying? And it was receiving phone calls, texting, and everything, and it runs just like a regular cell phone, but it runs on wireless. It doesn't run on cell phone data. Just to make that clear, cell phone data, wireless, and cell phone and wireless is two different things. Just to make that clear, let me just put it like this: Wi-Fi. I'm running on Wi-Fi. Data wireless is different from that. It's not the same thing. Wi-Fi runs faster than data service. Just to make it clear. You know what I'm saying? So I installed it and they gave me 6 months free. And I tried it out for 6 months. And it worked fine. Everywhere I went, the phone was working. I was receiving my texts, everything. Not one time so far the wireless dropped on me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all that it doesn't have a SIM card. It doesn't have a SIM card. Look. Okay, hold on. What the hell happened here? Okay. Alright, I wanna put the focus on, but it's not. Okay. Let me put it real close. Okay, see it? No SIM. See it? It says no SIM. It's right there. See it? No SIM. Okay, now I'm going to call the cell phone with this phone. Okay? Okay, this is the Magic Jack app right here. I don't know if you have to see it. So I'm gonna press it. And I'm gonna call the phone. I can hear it dialing. Y'all hear it, right? Now I'm gonna turn it off here. And y'all seen how fast the phone call went through, right? As soon as it finished the dialing, it went right through and rung. It's very, very fast. When I send texts to people with regular phones, the texts get there so fast that they be like, damn, like, what the fuck? Like, you know what I'm saying? How the hell you know to answer that? But they don't know that I'm running on wireless service. Wireless service runs faster than data service. You know what I'm saying? So now the 6 months is up. You know, like it was up last month. And I renewed it. I renewed the service. And I paid the whole entire year. You know what I'm saying? $35 for the whole entire year I paid. So that means I'm not going to see a cell phone bill for 12 months. And the service for 1 month is $3. That's the most you pay. It's $3 a month for that service. You know what I'm saying? I was like, $3? I'm in. You don't have to convince me on that. You know what I'm saying? It's better than $30, $35 a month, which totals almost $300 to $400 a year. I just paid $35 for the whole entire year. You know, why not? Why not try it? You probably be happy not to see a cell phone bill and your phone is running. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I needed to put that out there because people are talking about the Magic Jack stuff for the house. They're not talking about the cell phone. That the cell phone could run the app too. That's why I'm doing this video. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? And to make it clear again, this is for people that's in New York City that has Optimum Online. And the only reason why I'm targeting Optimum Online is because they have more Wi-Fi hotspots than any company. They have more than AT&T, they have more than Verizon, more than all those companies, more than Boost, more than everybody. You know what I'm saying? I could go anywhere. I could go to Manhattan. I could go to the Bronx. I could go to Queens. I could go to Staten Island. I could go anywhere and this phone will work with Wi-Fi. Why not go for it? You know what I'm saying? The Wi-Fi connection to this is free. When you have Optimum Online service, it's free, the Wi-Fi. You don't have to pay for the Wi-Fi. It's free. Why not go for it? You're saving money. You're saving money. You're saving money all around. You know what I'm saying? So if you like the video, put a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, put a thumbs down. You know what I'm saying? And explain why you believe that this is not good. Have a real good reason because it works. That's seen it. I call from here to here. It doesn't have a SIM card. It's working off of wireless. And I got it hooked up to my router right now because it automatically hooks up to my router when I get into the house. And then when I get outside to the streets, it automatically hooks up to Optimum Online. You know what I'm saying? And then the phone service will still be running. You know? So y'all take it easy, subscribe, because I'm going to keep putting content in here that could help other people. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing this shit for free. I don't need no money from YouTube's. I'm doing it for free. So y'all take it easy.